going into the line 360 time. Here we're about to do our line 360. So we're actually in a cage and the lions are going to come up to us. Cooking fresh at our cooking school. So we're going to see what we're going to make today. You all excited?
Yes.
Oh, the smells good, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Today at our cooking lesson we are making a Finnish
macaroni pie.
Macaroni pie.
And for dessert we're making a Rosenberg cake. It has fruit and icing. It's got almonds. Nobody's allergic to almonds.
Translates to spice cake.
Spice, does it? Thank you.
For our cooking lesson today, here we are going off to Aldi and doing the shop for all the ingredients we need. Got David grabbing some macaroni to put towards our ingredients. Here we got David after doing the shopping, ready for our cooking school. What are we making?
We're making a macaroni.
It's a Finnish dish, isn't it, from Finland? And a yummy dessert, so we can't wait to stick our fingers in and lick the bowls. Let's go.
Perfect. And then we're going to add layers of cheese. So flatten it away. Perfect.
So guys, what do you think about your cooking experience? And just remind me what you made again.
We did macaroni pie
Macaroni pie.
and a cake.
Oh,
Almond cake.
so you think you'd be able to make it at home now?
I'm going to give it a try.
Yeah, it was a nice Finland dish, wasn't it? You did an awesome job. Here we are at Woodside Cheese Place, sampling all the cheeses to make up a platter for a bit of a snack. So far we have tried the Jersey Brie. The next one is the peppercorn.
Oh, sing a song, do a dance. Yeah, I know you can.
Here we are at Melbourne Chocolates, and we're all having a hot chocolate with real milk chocolate. So here we've got Damien pouring in the chocolate, and then we're going to whisk it. Nothing like a nice hot chocolate on a nice cool cold day. Have a taste, Damien. What are we going to score it out of 5? How many stars today?
It's good, right?
5 stars. Thumbs up, everyone. Woohoo! We've got a dolphin who's just come up to the boat. Where you going, little one? Here he is. Here we have the Santiago ship. It was built 1856, and yeah, it seems to be a bit of a graveyard for this poor old girl. Today at Adelaide Chocolate School, we've got a selection of moulds to choose from. Okay, Damien, what have you got? What's your mould?
I'm doing a panda.
A panda, beautiful. What colours are you choosing?
I've chosen blue for the eyes and orange for the nose.
Oh, beautiful. What about you, David? What are you going with? What's your choice today?
I'm going with flowers.
Flowers? Oh, lovely.
And I might do, my colours will be pink and yellow.
Yes?
And maybe some green and even some purple and...
Very vibrant, beautiful. And how about you, Rosemary? Oh, going the love hearts. Nice. Looking forward to all the final products, everyone. I am willing to taste test them. All right, Damien's brought his moulds over. Let's see what they look like. Here we've got David bringing his moulds from the fridge.